JL4cx has a new exterior design, compact model, optional front 6-in-1 bucket. The multi-link design of the big arm adds several load-bearing points. The overall shaped cab features double-layer second tempered glass with excellent collision prevention effect. The interior space of the cab is large, with high comfort. It is equipped with an electromagnetic hydraulic pilot operation system, and the steering wheel and seats can be adjusted freely. With the active side shift, enjoy silky smooth. The rear is equipped with 75 excavator, stretching digging depth can reach 5.2 meters. Standard 0.36 cubic bucket, optional gripper, auger and other accessories.